How's it going, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to avoid out of sync footage using Bandicam. And this is going to be a quite short video because I just need to show this one thing inside Bandicam, okay? Now if you get out of sync footage in Bandicam, what you need to do is you need to go down to video settings. Inside video settings there's a couple of things you can do. One thing is change the codec, another thing is to set a constant frame rate, meaning that if you record something and you lose a couple of frames inside the recording, then it's going to keep the frame rate constant throughout the whole recording, which means that it's not going to make it out of sync. And this is the one thing that really fixes the out of sync issue. Now, the thing I'm talking about is that if you were to choose any kind of codec, I know that there's something called external codecs, and you can actually choose logarith lossless codec, which is the best one you can actually have if you want good quality. But because I don't have a lot of space on my computer, that's not the one I'm using. So using one of the default codecs, and no matter the codec that you choose, if you were to go up to the frame rate, go next to it here with the 3 dots, click the button, then you can change it from variable frame rate to constant frame rate. The default one is going to be variable. Now what this means is that if you were to record a video and then you lose a couple of frames, then it's just going to go ahead and ignore it. And it's not going to do anything about it to make sure that your video is constant with the frame rate. So if you were to choose the constant frame rate, then suddenly you're not going to have any out of sync issues anymore. Okay, now if you still have out of sync issues after you have done this using Bandicam, then it is probably your audio recording from an external software, because this should in fact fix the out of sync video using Bandicam. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. I'd like to say thank you to all the people supporting me on Patreon. If you're interested in extra benefits such as lesson materials, then go ahead and visit the link that you see on screen here, and I'll see you guys next time.